Okay, if you've been keeping up and watched previous videos, you probably know Bella doesn't bark much, right? Wait, come here, Bella. I'm at Southern Base Camp at my sister and brother-in-law's place in Conyers, Georgia. Now watch this. Where's them cows? Huh? Let's go see cows. Where are those cows at? Look. Get them bad cows. There they are. I don't know. Yesterday, she was really getting her bark on. Come on, girl. Get them bad cows. Come on. Get them bad cows. Okay. So, Bella's cousin, Alli, will probably be out in a minute. She helps get things stirred up. When she barks, Bella starts. Morning, cows. Good morning, cows. Moo. I can't believe Bella's not barking. She gave these cows a hard time yesterday. Huh? We need to get Alli out here. She'll get things started. Huh? Let's go find Alli. What? I thought I could get her. I just didn't have a camera handy yesterday, not even my phone. I was busy helping with the garage sale here, helping out with a couple other things. So I didn't have a camera handy. Huh? Get them bad cows. No barking? Come on. Alright. Maybe next time. I'll cut back in later if she gets to be in a barking mood. I swear she barks. I swear. Okay, her cousin Alli came out. But the cows might be too far going down the pasture now. Where's them cows, Alli? Where's them cows? Get them cows, Alli. Get them cows. Get them cows. Really? Well, to their defense, they're probably so worn out today. They played hard yesterday. They played and they played. He's a good girl. Hey, Alli's good. Let's go. You're not going to bark at the cows. know. Somebody was giving somebody some sass there. Little Bella got rolled. Did you get rolled, girl? I think they're trying to, that's about all they got today. They did that they played rough for a long time yesterday. There's Alli. Good morning, Alli. Good morning, girl. Good morning, Bella. She's a good girl. You're proud of yourself. Did you make Alli stumble? Hope you're all proud of that. Huh? She's a big dog. Well, you know, Bella and Alli playing, that was a bit of fun, eh? I don't even know why I say that like that. It sounded like a Brit or a Canadian or something. That's one thing I say weird like that. Anyway, I got bored. Needed something to do. And it's kind of done down there at the yard sale in Conyers, Georgia, and we decided to move on. I decided, hey, maybe time to start heading north, maybe up to Tennessee or somewhere. Well, I got to driving, and driving and looking, and next thing I know, I'm in North Carolina. Next thing I know, I'm in Virginia. You know what? There's kind of been this little cloud looming over me here lately, and actually, I do need to get back up to Pennsylvania. I looked at the forecast, 10-day forecast, and the RV will be all right. Anyway, driving a little bit last evening and had another tire blowout. Okay, this one right here, and of course it was the inside one. It's always the inside one. I'm gonna get more. I think I know why I'm busting back tires. That's another subject. We'll talk about that when I get back up to the shop. But when that tire blew, some shrapnel from that tire flew up in and tore a little hole in the floor right where a water pipe is. So now all the water ran out of the fresh water tank. So now I don't have any water for dishes or showers or flushing. And I could dump out of a jug, but the water system's not working now. But I'm only 6 hours from the shop, so I'm going to wait to get up there and fix it. I'll be up where all my tools are. You know, I've seen other YouTubers have issues on the road. I've seen them give praise, like the tire shops. Oh, excellent service, and really give them a nice review. Where am I? I'm in Wytheville, Virginia. I'd like to give a good review, but I just can't.
They assigned a kid to the job, and he was intimidated by it being an RV. Well, our big jack is in the shop. Well, as tire shops goes, there was 8 or 10 big floor jacks in there that were more than capable. So I changed that other tire back in Del Rio, Texas, with my little 2-ton jack from the auto parts store. And it was a struggle, but it did the job. So I went to AutoZone, and instead of a 2-ton, I bought a 4-ton. It lifted it real easy. Well, they got the big freaking floor jacks in there. What? I don't know. And the problem is, there's probably 5 or 6 other guys in there working. Nobody, no kind of work environment that is it. One of his more experienced co-workers couldn't say, yes, that lift that thing easily. The entire rig weighs 6 tons. My little floor jack is 4. You know what I'm saying? You could dang near lift the whole dang thing with that little bottle jack. The next one up was $5 more. It was a 6-ton bottle jack for $29. They have those big floor models. They could have lifted this entire rig. Anyway, yeah. What are you gonna do, right? So that little less than communicative work environment, I just did it myself out in the parking lot. Wheeled the thing in there, put a tire on it, came back out here. Oh yeah, of course I had to take the motorcycle. Never mind. I had to do some weird tire rotation here, so I had to take the motorcycle off and get the spare out. I had to put the good spare in a new tire there. The one tire blew out. The other one had a broken belt, so it would have been blown soon. So I put the good spare, that new spare I got back in Del Rio, Texas, and a new tire from here, back here. And that one with the busted belt is in there. I would have replaced it too, but they only had one tire this size in stock. Anyway, we're 6 hours from my tools in Pennsylvania. And Miss Tioga needs a little DLC. So that's where we're going. What do you think, girl? What do you think, girl? She don't know what to think about all this. I think she can sense that I'm a little stressed. Okay, we're in West Virginia now. Suddenly hit 2 toll booths, $2.50, and another one for 80. Gas prices are jumped 50 cents a gallon. At this point, you know what? I think of this trip kind of been the maiden voyage of this channel, this rig. My first major trip the whole way across the country. We left, I think it was November 3rd. Here it is the very end of February. We've been on the road for 4 months. We made it out to the West Coast, and we're almost back. What we got? 4 hours and 9 minutes until we return to New Kensington, Pennsylvania. We call this, if we make it, we're not there yet. Get there, we can call this mission accomplished on this trip, you know. So far, where we at? Got 2 blowouts. What else happened? I don't remember. But yeah, now the water system doesn't work. left Pennsylvania, you know, it was on ship shape, ready for the trip. Now I feel like I'm just kind of nursing at home. It's not that bad though. It's taking a little bit of a toll on it in some other areas. We'll get into all those details right now. Anyway. So yeah, kind of feel like I'm just nursing it back home. We're back to the garage. Guess this is home. Yeah, I carry some basics with me, but I got a lot of tools at home. And Miss Toyota, you know, here it is, spring's almost here. Summer, and she's got a lot to do yet. You know, we've got a lot of things to do. She needs some TLC to get back on her all 4 feet again. Right, Miss Bella? Right? Right, Miss Bella? Okay, Miss Bella says, yep, that's right. We'll wrap this video up here in southern West Virginia. We'll start the next video probably back at the garage and maybe do a quick assessment. So, till then, I'll see you.